Welcome to your new home in Village West. Rarely available 3-bedroom 2-bath home located under a gorgeous canopy of mature shade trees. This endearing neighborhood with a community pool will have you feeling right at home. Many wonderful things to appreciate, such as the open floor plan, 1610 square feet of living space with high ceilings and an interior that has been freshly painted and brand new carpet. Perfect layout offers great room, open concept kitchen and split bedrooms. Great room has a wood-burning fireplace and 2 sets of sliding glass doors providing dual access to the screen lanai. Kitchen has a breakfast bar seating, pantry and loads of cabinets for optimal organization and storage. Dining area is a perfect spot to enjoy mealtime with family or friends. Master bedroom is spacious with ensuite bathroom that has a large step-in shower and sliding glass door. The 2-car garage has ample space for parking, and to use for a workshop. Area.Community pool is just a short stroll away. Great central Bradenton location, just 7 miles to Anna Maria Island. Enjoy an active lifestyle. Frequent nearby Bray Park, a large recreational area offering an outdoor swimming pool, multiple sports fields, tennis and an amphitheater.